Alright, so we're going to be installing this rear diffuser today onto the back of the Polo. As you can see, I'm on the floor right now, so the camera angle was a bit weird. So let's get straight into it. First things first, you want to line it up on here. So there's some notches in it that you'll see there. They just go over the bumpers diffuser that's already there. Then you got like these bits, so there and there. You can use those to line it up. So you can just put the fin here over those two. And when it's lined up over those two, there are, if I put it down here, there is one hole there, one there, one there, one there. So there's 4 in total. It comes with these screws. So we're going to use this drill with this bit that I've put in there to fit over the screws. Let me quickly undo this so you guys can see what this is that I've done. So if I put it this way, I'm going to grab this. Here you go. This is what I put in there. It's an 8mm socket that I just shoved into the drill, and that fits perfectly onto the screws that go up into the diffuser. The screws. So I'm just going to drill it up in there, into those holes, once you've lined it up onto your bumper. So that should be pretty straightforward. So now that I've explained it, I'm just going to go ahead and crack on. Let's go. If you're wondering why I put it up on ramps as well, it's because I couldn't get the drill under there when it's on the floor normally, because the car's too low. So I had to put it up on the ramp so I could get under there. So I'll go underneath real quick. As you can see, there's one of them. There's the other one. Then we have one there. And then the final one is there. And that's literally it. There it's on. So I'm gonna take the car off of the stands, the ramps, and then see what it looks like on the floor, looking all natural. I really need to wash my car, so excuse the dirt that is on it. But yeah, it's done. That's what it looks like now. Looks quite nice in my opinion. It adds something to the car that wasn't there before. Makes the rear look a bit more aggressive. I'm a fan of it. And it was a lot easier to install than I thought it would be, so yeah. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. And until next time, peace.